How to use AI for better email marketing results. Email marketing is one of the most powerful tools for engaging with your audience and growing your business. But with AI, you can take your email marketing to a whole new level. In this video, we'll explore how AI can enhance your strategies and improve your results. AI can analyze large sets of data to understand customer behaviors and preferences. By doing so, it helps you personalize your emails, ensuring that your content is relevant to each individual recipient. Imagine sending personalized product recommendations or content that aligns with their past interactions. Automation is another significant advantage. AI can streamline your email campaigns by automating responses and follow ups. This saves time and ensures that your audience receives consistent and timely communication. You can even set up AI to adjust your campaigns based on real time data, optimizing for the best possible outcomes. AI powered tools can also improve your subject lines. They analyze what works and what doesn't, helping you craft engaging headlines that increase open rates. Moreover, AI can segment your email list more effectively, ensuring the right messages reach the right people at the right time. Predictive analytics is another game changer. With AI, you can predict recipient behavior, such as likelihood to open or click through an email, and tailor your strategy accordingly. This means you can identify the best time to send your emails and create content that resonates more deeply with your audience. Don't forget about A/B testing. AI can automate these tests and analyze results quickly, giving you insights into what's working and what needs improvement. This iterative process helps in constantly refining your email marketing strategy. Using AI and email marketing isn't just about enhancing performance, it's about building stronger, more personalized connections with your audience.